Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Network Software, which comes under the subject Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed Ethernet. Now let's discuss LAN standards. LAN standard deals with all elements of the token passing bus access method and its associated physical signaling and media technologies. To facilitate interconnection of stations by way of LAN using the token passing method. This standard specifies the characteristics of the transmission medium, the signaling method used, the frame formats transmitted, and the actions of a station upon receipt of a frame. Each network has its own rules and standards. Therefore, protocols are used in network technology to govern the communication between network and network. There are many different kinds of protocols. The most common protocol used are token bus and token ring. First, we can discuss token bus, that is IEEE 802.4 network. Token bus is a popular standard for the token passing LANs. In a token bus LAN, the physical media is a bus or a tree and a logical ring is created using coaxial cable. The token is passed from one user to other in a sequence. Each station knows the address of the station to its left and right as per the sequence in the logical ring. A station can only transmit data when it has the token. A token is a small message that circulates among the stations of a computer network, providing permission to the stations for transmission. If a station has data to transmit, when it receives a token, it sends the data and then passes the token to the next station. Otherwise, it simply passes the token to the next station. This figure illustrates the frame format of token bus. Next, we can discuss the fields of token bus frame format. First one, preamble. It is used for bit synchronization. It is 1 byte field. Second one, start delimiter. These bits marks the beginning of frame. It is 1 byte field. Third one, frame control. This field specifies the type of frame, data frame and control frames. It is 1 byte field. Fourth one, destination address. This field contains the destination address. It is 2 to 6 bytes field. Fifth one, source address. This field contains the source address. It is 2 to 6 bytes field. Sixth one, data. If 2 byte addresses are used, then the field may be up to 8182 bytes and 8174 bytes in case of 6 byte addresses. Seventh one, checksum. This field contains the checksum bits which is used to detect errors in the transmitted data. It is 4 bytes field. Eighth one, end delimiter. This field marks the end of frame. It is 1 byte field. In this lecture, we have discussed token bus and the frame format of token bus. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.